In this video, we're going to talk about how you are going to connect your wallet, Metamask wallet, to Opensea. Opensea is a marketplace for NFT. You need your Metamask to be able to make any transaction in terms of buying this kind of NFTs as you're seeing them here. You need your Metamask connected before you can be able to buy or sell your own NFT. And that's exactly what we're going to do. How do you connect it so that all the money you make on this platform, you can actually take it into your Metamask wallet? So before we get to that, let's go to Metamask wallet so that you can be able to download and get installed your own Metamask wallet. Right now, we are on Metamask wallet. The address is metamask.io. Metamask.io. That is the address to install your own Metamask wallet. What is Metamask wallet? Metamask wallet is the wallet, your pocket money for Web3. Now, we have been in Web 2, we've seen Web 1, Web 2, and right now the internet has innovated or get up to Web 3. So MetaMask is your pocket money on the internet. You can use to install your money. You can use it to keep your money safeguarded on the internet. So it's your pocket money on the internet. That is what MetaMask does for you. So all your digital currencies, all of them, you can put them on your own MetaMask. So we are on the website to get your own MetaMask. It's absolutely free. You are not paying anything. But before we get started to doing that, please take note of the following. It is your responsibility to keep your MetaMask wallet safeguarded. It is your duty and your responsibility to keep it safe, because a lot of scammers are going out there checking out how they can steal your money. It is your duty to keep it. It is your duty to make sure you protect your seed phrases. This is very, very important, because if you miss it, it's just like your password. If you miss your password, you cannot be able to log into your email. If you have your credit card, you need a PIN. If you miss your PIN, you cannot be able to make any transaction. These are similar to MetaMask features. So my point is that as you get this installed on your laptop, on your phone, anywhere it is, please make sure you safeguard this, because it is your own pocket money. It is your own money bag on the internet. So most of your digital currencies are going to be stored on this. So you just need one MetaMask. Okay, as many as you can. You can have as many as if you want, but you just need one created for what you want to do. For me, I would say different asset, different MetaMask wallet. For me, I don't know. So, having said so, we are on this website right now, metamask.io, metamask.io. Okay, so get to download. You click on download. This download will take you to this place. Now, if you're on desktop, MetaMask is actually an extension, okay? Currently using Google Chrome. You can see install MetaMask for Chrome. So I'm currently using Google Chrome right now. So for Chrome, for Firefox, for Brave, for Edge, their MetaMask is completely supported, okay? On these browsers. If you're using any of these browsers, it's supported. If you're also using iOS, it's supported. If you're using Safari, it's supported. You can see iOS is here, so it's completely supported. You can install your MetaMask on your phone. Okay, Android is supported also. You can install your MetaMask on your Android. Okay, so you go to Play Store if you are on Android phone right now. So you go to, but visit this website. I recommend you visit this website so that you don't miss it. Go and go to another website. Metamask.io. Visit our website. Click on download. It will take you to a Play Store if you're on Android, and you're going to get started immediately for what we are doing here. So let's get started. You will click on install Metamask for Chrome. Awesome. When you do that, it's going to take you to a place where you download the Chrome extension. Okay, over 10 million people are currently using Metamask, and you can see remove from Chrome because I already installed on my own, so I'm not removing it. But this is the process. Okay, here you are going to this button will say install Metamask. Okay, install Metamask. You're going to see install instead of remove here. That's this button. So follow it through. After downloading, it will download and install. After finishing that, the next thing you're going to see is going to open a tab of its own. Okay, it's going to open a tab of its own for you to complete your registration. Okay, you put in your password, then write down your key phrases or your seed phrases. You put them down, you write them down. Very, very important. You write them down and keep them so that you will be able to remember them. If you lose the key phrases, it means you are losing your MetaMask. Please don't give out your seed phrases. MetaMask does not ask you for seed phrases. This is very important. Don't give it out for anything. Any email you receive, they're asking you, impersonating as MetaMask organization or people who are working in MetaMask, asking you for your seed phrase. Please do not enter any seed phrase, because when you do that, you are giving them control and they will steal your money completely. Every money you put there is going to go. So be extremely careful. Okay. I am assuming by now you have already installed your own MetaMask. It's very simple, straightforward stuff. Uh, At the end of the day, you're going to be seeing your MetaMask. Look at the head there. It's going to be this MetaMask. Okay, it's going to be installed in this place. If you don't see it in this place, go to this extension icon. Then it's going to be listed among here. Okay, if it's something like this without this blue, it may be installed and it is not with blue color. Okay, it can be like gray like this one. So if it's gray, just click on it. Okay, it will turn blue. The moment it turns blue, it is visible on this extension buttons here. Okay, it's going to be here automatically. The moment you turn it, click and turn it blue, it will show on this place. The moment it turns something like blue, it's going to show. Okay, having said so, now we are on Opensea.io. Opensea.io. Now, with the Opensea.io, this is your wallet. Okay, this is your wallet here. Look at the wallet. It's just exactly like a wallet. So you click on the wallet, click on your wallet, click on this icon, the wallet icon, then come to MetaMask and click. Okay, and wait, you can see it's loading right now. The MetaMask is loading right now. This is it here. Awesome. You can see the big head. Look at the big head. MetaMask big head is loading. Okay, right now, as the thing is loaded, is my password I'm going to put right now. Okay, so you can see the website opensea.io is here. Okay, I'm going to do next. This is my address here. Okay, awesome. See address, account balance, activity, and initial transaction. This is what you're allowing this account to do. Okay, you said this site, allow this site to see addresses, account balance, activities, and initial transaction. So allowing connecting your wallet to OpenSea. This is what this website is going to be doing with this transaction. Okay, they will see addresses, they will see your balance, they will see activity, they will see everything here. Okay, connect. It's connecting right now. Awesome. You can see tick good. I am right now connected on this website. Okay. Beautiful. You can now see they're asking me to add fund. Okay, they're asking me to add fund because the balance is completely zero. Is for tutorial sake. I just did it for tutorial sake. So this wallet is right now connected. Okay, the next option is absolutely to connect, add fund to it. Okay, I can send the fund from another place to this place. Okay, yeah, that is how to get your wallet right now connected. Assuming you have money here now and you want to buy this kind of ape. I thought I was, yeah. That's the day. This kind of ape, ape. So if you want to buy this kind of ape, ape or ape. If you want to buy this kind of app, this thing I'm talking is about 15. Wow. It's top bid. About 15.2 Ethereum. This is big. This is 2.4 Ethereum. Is it? Top bids. Okay. Last bid, somebody did 13. They said no, they are waiting for 15. This is a bid, top bid 2.4. So this is 15.2. This is 15.2. Okay. People are making good money from this. Okay. So right now we have connected our wallet on this platform. You see, I did not even register. I did not come here to register. Just connecting my wallet, I've been able to be given access completely to this website. That's what Web3 is all about. So you don't even need your username, password, blah 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 to do. Just with your wallet, you're good to go on websites like this. That is the beauty of Web3. I'm not talking about Web3 today. I'm talking about Metamask, how to add your own Metamask on OpenSea. Okay, so this is the wallet. It's connected right now. I can do transaction assuming there are funds on that particular account. Okay, this is beautiful. That's the beauty of it. This is what you can do. Many things you can do on OpenSea. You can decide to buy, can decide to sell. OpenSea, you can check out more. NTF, awesome. They have a lot of collections for you that you can be able to use for yourself. Different categories. You can buy, you can hold, you can sell on OpenSea. If you do like this video and there are other kind of video you want us to do for you, please on the comment section, let me hear from you. And please like this video, subscribe to this channel as we help you to understand the little things that matters in using the Web3, in using the internet to make good money for yourself. Just showed you how you can be able to connect your MetaMask wallet to OpenSea.io. So with that connection, you are good to go. Awesome. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye-bye.